Welcome. In today's video, we'll show you how to access all your group chats on WhatsApp using your PC. With a recent update, WhatsApp has made it easier than ever to filter and view your group conversations. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, make sure you've opened the WhatsApp app on your computer. If you're using WhatsApp Web or the desktop app, ensure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're on the main screen, you'll see all your chats listed as usual. Now here's where the magic happens. Look at the top of the search bar. There's a new filter icon. Click on it. This handy tool is designed to help you quickly sort through your conversations. When you click the filter icon, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Groups. This will instantly filter your chats and display only your group conversations. No more scrolling endlessly to find that one group chat buried among personal messages. And that's it. With just 3 simple steps, opening WhatsApp, clicking the filter icon, and selecting Groups, you can now easily access all your group chats in one place. This feature is perfect for staying organized and keeping track of important group discussions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks about using WhatsApp and other apps efficiently. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.